If you want to grow your business, you'll know how important it is to reach out to the local community. Local Secrets offers a comprehensive marketing platform to help find more customers locally and further afield for less. We use web and email marketing, local television, social media, and other means together to multiply impact through cross-promotion on each medium. The approach is founded on our online magazine, with what's on, things to do and lifestyle, editorial, offers, listings, and prizes for each location. Content that attracts visitors from all walks of life so you can get in front of the right local audience. Our integrated marketing extends reach and engagement to help you identify, attract, and recontact prospective customers. Build your marketing drive on a high-profile Local Secrets page with highlighting across the website. Reach out actively through our opt-in email magazines, eagerly read by thousands of local members, and by targeted emails exclusively for your prospective customers. Showcase your benefits on local terrestrial TV, raising awareness and driving online prize and voucher promotions. Now here's the clever bit. All that integrated promotion identifies interested prospects, and then you can recontact them via email to offer them reasons to visit. If you have events and special occasions, showcase and promote them in our website's highlights areas and in our comprehensive What's On lists. Piggyback our large social media following to get more attention for your news and promotions. Our unique prize swap allows businesses and not-for-profit and voluntary groups to reach out in a way that contributes to business profits and to charity fundraising. Both sides win. Businesses and organizations get their own dashboard pages to manage and monitor their own content and activities with our expert support. With options and packages tailored to your needs, you get more customers with less fuss at a cost that's much less than you might think. Contact Local Secrets now. Call us on 03300 177 880 or write to us at sales@localsecrets.com.